everybody. I'm at Eagles Canyon Raceway with Charles, owner of Function Factory Racing.
What's going on, guys?
They sell Mustang parts, as you guys know, and you can rent their vehicle, right? Take it out on the track. You still doing that?
Absolutely. We've got our 2020 Ford Mustang GT500, where his is the Rapid Red, and we've got the carbonized gray with the stripes and, of course, the big carbon fiber wing. We're out here with Tim and got that beautiful sticker on this car, and I'm super excited. It's my first time here at Eagle Canyon.
Yes.
And we might be out here to test in 2 weeks, so I'm get the lay of the land with Tim here. Elevation looks fantastic. We are absolutely in the middle of nowhere, and apparently they're telling me that it's going to be extremely hot, but it feels really good right now here at very early 7 a.m.
So yeah, we're here early. It's below 80 degrees barely, but it's going to 100 plus here, so we'll see how the afternoon goes. But Charles is here to ride with me, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Here we go. Well, I had trans overheat again, so I haven't finished that video, but by the time you see this one, when I went to COTA 2 days down in Austin, hot, I was having trans overheat in the afternoon sessions. I drained and filled the transmission, thinking it was probably just a little bit low and hoping that would solve it. It apparently did not. So the trans is getting too hot. I think my next step is to look into the cooler and see what I can do about that. So we're gonna run shortened sessions until the trans gets too hot today.
While Tim focuses on driving the hell out of his Rapid Red 500, I'm going to give you a full lap narration of Eagles Canyon track here. So we're about to get back on the main straight here, braking really deep, coming this left turn, tracking the car out and back in, and we're going down the main straight. Let's see how fast this car goes. 123 hard braking zone, and we're going to get deep in the apex here, and then Tim is going to cut in super sharp to stay on the inside set up for this next left-hander here, braking up to 2.5, looking in, and we come in and back out. Let's see, no, we're staying middle of the track, keeping it tight here. We're going to stay super tight to the right, stay mid-track, strong brakes staying in and in, still haven't tracked out yet, and there's the track out. Coming up to the middle section of the track, this is a real uphill section, really fast, doing about 85 miles an hour here. Just looking left here is going to catch this apex here and let the car track out for this double apexer left. Here we go. One, and nope, just single left-hand turn, looking down the hill on the right, staying hard right, so he sets up for this fast left-hander, coming down and back up, and here's the hilly section, it's gonna go like this. Under 34 miles an hour, big brakes, these 16.8-inch brakes on this GT500, putting in some massive amount of work down this blind corner here, so much off-camber, coming back down the hill. Let's do it again, left-hander, down the hill, letting the car track out to set up for this double apex left, and then stay in the middle of the track so he's set up right here, middle, and bringing it back in. That there, guys, is a full lap of Eagle Canyon. What an amazing facility this is. Curving looks so sexy out here. Nice and green, back on the main straight. I can't get enough of this hilly elevation. Braking downwards, feeling a little negative G coming back up the hill. I'll flip the camera around, guys, so you can see how much elevation there is. And I'll tell you when we're going up and down in case you can't see it. Love this section here. Good maintenance of 70 to 80 miles an hour through here. I'm sure the Hoosiers could pick up an easy 90 miles an hour through that section. We are on the OEM Pilot Sport Cup 2s here. And Tim mentioned he wishes he was on the Hoosiers. He just had a slight vibration in one of them and decided to forego that. We are quickly approaching a fellow Mustang. It is a GT, much different suspension setup. And Tim is in the red group, so this is the advance of the advance. We've got the point
no
line
drift
here.
out. I'm take this corner slower.
Tim is experiencing an error on the dash saying transmission is too hot, and we had that similar issue out at our track in our 500 saying the clutch packs were too hot. So this isn't a good thing per se, but I mean, getting to experience this racetrack here in this vehicle is just bar none. What an amazing time, and hopefully this car decides to play nice here and we can get some more track time on it.
Let's see what our temperature says here. Nobody's coming up behind us. So we have trans temp of 257.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So 60 is the limit, it sounds like.
I'm guessing right around there. Well, we got a little bit of time. I'm guessing each session we're just going to get a short amount of time before the overheat. I'm going to have to figure that out.
Woo. Good pedal pressure.
Oh, brake pedal?
Yeah, really good commitment. A lot of people don't commit to that pedal like that, that's a sign. Like, there's massive potential.
This car has a lot of brakes.
And a lot of people don't utilize it.
Right.
They're afraid of it.
Here we go, session number 2. We're gonna go until the trans overheats.
Come on, tires. Come on, tires. Off. Shoot. Ooh, that was good. That was good. I'm liking it. Really turning. We got the time.
What did we get?
2:07.
Oh, really?
Fastest in the group.
Okay. All right then.
Awesome drive.
I'm sorry it's not lasting longer.
Awesome drive.
All right, max AC, windows up.
Oof.
Yep, 260s worth trips. That's confirmed. All right, so we're gonna go out here and Charles is gonna show me how it's done.
we're in the 2020 BMW X1 S Drive.
He's gonna take his rental out for parade lap on the track. I'm done for the day, so I get to now give him some acceleration and braking zone critiques.
He's gonna tell me, get off the brakes.
Funny, should be fun. Oh, you're not gonna have grip here. Funny. Oh boy.
We've got plenty of grip.
Oh boy. What's the saying? Drive it like a rental?
Stole it like a rental.
Oh, funny.
We got this double apex here.
Feel that body roll.
I'm gonna copy Tim here. He lets it breathe out here.
Oh man, I've been off track right there before. Woo! Off camera downhill.
Off camera downhill. We're gonna straight line brake into this right here.
Oh my.
And now early turn in.
Dude, that's awesome.
Up the hill, let the car breathe out.
Funny.
TCs keep kicking on. We're gonna turn off the traction control here. Oh, here it is. There it is. We are dynamic off. This is no AIDS. We could pendulum and die.
Uh-oh.
Keeping it tight. Let the car just breathe up just a little. Set up right here.
Feel those tires struggling for traction.
And keep it mega tight here.
Yeah,
So
nice turn.
Now we're set up.
Hit that apex. Mash the gas and pass everybody. No passing.
You know what's funny? This car feels fast on the freeway. It feels like a Prius out here.
Well, you just did GT500 sessions.
Oh man. Get the suspension nice and settled. Get up on the curving here.
That S end is sliding around nicely.
Stand to the right. Man, that sets us up for this fast third gear.
Oh, those tires are barking.
Yeah, this track really flows.
It's nice. It's fun. Whoa! You hung the ass end off. Just a hint. Just a hint.
Say this is my second time taking a rental racetrack.
Second time.
This is my second time.
All right, we just finished the parade lap at Eagles Canyon. Got some use out of this rental. Tires were barking. That was fun. We actually hung the ass end right rear, just a hair off on that corner. That was beautiful. Nicely done. Boom.
That was her limit.
All right, so we just completed session number 2. I'm having trans issues, shorten the sessions. It's getting hot. There's a big break now for lunch and parade laps. So I think the red 760 car is gonna be done for the day. Charles got to go a couple sessions with me. He also rode with my buddies. Thoughts?
Man, you know, so 3 cars, 3 different drivers, in 3 massively different perspectives. Tim here. We're gonna start with Tim. Extremely balanced driver. Sean, white car, not here right now. Insanely aggressive, just jarring my body everywhere. And then
it's worth noting though that Sean's car is he's got fully tuned exhaust.
Man.
It's loud. It's got more power, so he's got a lot of tools there.
Car has a ton of grip. He just needs to dial down his aggression. But man, all these drivers, and then to touch on Gabe, the orange car over there, he's just kind of a mosey out there, but he's running the same lap times. But to kind of wrap up on all of this, we started with a base of about a 211, 210 here at Eagles Canyon, and we worked Tim all the way down, and he was the fastest of the bunch, about a 207.6.
Yep, something like that.
207.6.
Yeah. And
to give you guys a perspective, that is insanely fast for a street car. And right now, the humidity
it's
and the
hot.
heat, we're all dying right now. But amazing job to Tim over here.
Thanks for coming.
No,
that was
thank
awesome.
you for the hospitality.
Thanks for watching. That's it for this video. See you guys.